Hi, I'm Sierra Godoy. I'm the lead over the cutting and separation department here at Prince Precision. So today we're going to talk about why I created this whiteboard. It's almost just like a door opening for communication between both departments, the cutting and separation, making us one whole. Prior to this whiteboard, we had a lot of issues with communication, people feeling as though they weren't getting the proper tools that they needed. So here you can write down your issues list, anything you want to discuss. So every Thursday we get together after lunch and we have a meeting for about 15 minutes and discuss some of the issues and some of the great things that are happening here in our department. We have a place where you can fill out a to-do list. So some of the things that we need to improve on, you know, just a couple up here right now are utilizing the computer. Your cut quality, we need to improve that. If that becomes an issue, we talk about that in the meeting. And then verifying parts. There's no parts in your area at the end of the day. Another thing that I wrote down here on this board is the 5S, which we're going to start implementing more in our department. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. That makes everything a little bit more organized, and it helps production flow more. And like I said, communication between both departments flow a little bit better, and everybody feels like their voice is being heard.